Hey, glad you can make it, because today we are playing more Age of Engineering, and we are on the Mars base. Well, in the Mars base. And look, I'm wearing my regular armor. We have a oxygen vent and two CO2 scrubbers working over here. They're doing the work. Some power, and got it set to redstone controls now, so that way we can reset it if we need to with a lever. But you'll notice, let's see, let me go grab my helmet at least so I can show you. You'll notice that it says down there in the bottom left, atmosphere type pressurized air at 1.0 atmospheres and breathable. And then if we go out the airlock over here, still says breathable. Then we walk out here, no oxygen detected. This is bad. So then we walk in here, no oxygen detected, because remember, all of the air went that way. But then we walk back in here, everything's good. Everything is good. Now let's see, if I walk really fast, does that still work? Did you take any damage? Oh, well, you're in your suit, so it wouldn't have mattered. Okay.
It still says it's breathable.
Okay, so there we go. This base is working just fine. And since the teleporter takes us to here, we don't have to worry about showing up here and not being able to breathe. So we're good. This will take care of that. Just got to keep an eye on the actual carbon collection cartridges, but I think we'll be fine. Those should last a while. If not infinitely, because I think there might have been a bug with them at one point. But if you have two of them going, they just keep working just fine.
It's counting down slowly.
You see a? Where do you see a countdown?
On I mouse over the tab or the actual cartridge. It's down to 391.
I'm not seeing this. Is anybody else seeing this information? I'm not. You must have extra info turned on or something. Yeah, there we go. Why'd you take it out? I think he's on the phone, but he just stole the scrubber. He needs to put it back. And yes, the durability is going down, but it's going to with just one in there. Carbon collection cartridge. Do we have all these things? We need iron bars. Of all the things we need iron bars. Dude. There. And yeah, with F3H turned on, it is counting down, which is fine. It's going to last a while. I wonder what you could do with the empty ones. Do they just disappear? I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, so what we are working on today is more of the Mekanism stuff. We have a basic enriching factory, which is being used to make the compressed versions of the diamonds, redstone, and coal that then go into the proper metallurgic confusers. This is all confusing. Heh. Metallurgic infusers. We have compressed redstone in this one, compressed redstone in this one. They're going to be used for two different things. Compressed carbon in that one, compressed diamond in that, which is being used to make the refined obsidian, which will end up going into this one as soon as we compress it. I think you can compress that one. Can you compress that one? Yes, you can compress that one. No room to do it in this particular compressor at the moment, though. And the compressed versions are always better than the non-compressed versions.
All right, I'm back.
Welcome back. You had stolen the thing and didn't put it back in.
Stole what thing? I didn't steal it. Honest. If I did, it wasn't intentional.
You have it in your inventory, I'm guessing. I had to make another one.
Yes, I do. I'm sorry.
Uh-huh.
The phone rang and I was trying to,
Thief. Why are we using enriched coal? Just cause, I guess?
Yeah, it burns better. It provides more.
Right, I understand. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to make, and by the way, all of this is going to be replaced with mechanism stuff.
Yeah, once we are able to get the configurator.
We need to get the configurator. Yes, we need to get the configurator. Which means we need the compressor, right? Is that what we were about to make?
Yeah, we need the compressor. We need it for, well, to begin with, we need it for the enriched, wait, is that the compressor?
I don't know, but we have a compressor now.
Yes.
And the
compressor.
The thing you keep in that, because I don't think there's anything else that goes in it. Let's see, what are the recipes? Recipes. Yeah, just osmium, because that's all we can make is the refined obsidian ingots and the glowstone ingots. It's the only thing it's used for.
Yes.
So we can just keep it filled. But we are going to need some of the glowstone and some of the refined. Let's see, we should have some refined around here somewhere.
And then, I don't know, do you want to kick this up to a factory right away, or...
Yeah, we can do that. We did show how to do the factory upgrades last time, right? Yeah. I showed that in that last episode, so we should be good. Bump that up to a factory. Are you making it, or...?
You can take it down. I don't care. I just wanted to set the conduit so it was feeding in and out of it.
No, I asked if you were making the factory upgrade thing.
Oh, there's an upgrade for it? I did not know that. I thought you had to physically take the machine and make the...
If you do a search in JEI for installer, basic tier installers.
Okay.
And just make one of those, which is pretty simple. We just need the electronic circuits, which we can just use the osmium version real quick. So if I grab a stack of osmium, I do believe I showed this before, but we can show it one more time.
Stack in the system.
Almost a stack of what?
The basic circuit controls.
Oh, okay. Oh, because I had done this already. That's why. Okay, so yeah.
And is it click or shift click?
But circuit controls, and then go dink, dink. And then you can just make one of those. And then you just right click.
Just right click? Okay.
Boom, factory. And then to make the advanced tier, it is iridium ingots and advanced control circuits, or the advanced circuits from IC2, and then enriched alloys. But those are cheap because it's just the compressed redstone and some iron. So that will be easy enough. Alright, we do need to take some of the refined obsidian. I'm going to go grab that from over here, and I'm going to put it in the basic enriching factory so we can get some of that stuff. Because that's the one that goes in this last metallurgic infuser, correct?
Yep.
Because we need 6 of them now that you've taken up 2 of them with redstone.
Yeah, I know.
And why are you using 2 redstone ones again?
One is for the basic control circuits, and the other is the little red. I just had the recipe, darn it. Ah, the enriched alloy.
Oh, so are those the only 2 recipes with redstone?
Those are the only 2 that require redstone.
Oh, okay. Well, it's good to have a machine for both of them. That works. I like it. Anyway, putting those in there. And then we can take the compressed obsidian, and that goes in this last one over here. And then we have our obsidian-based metallurgic infuser.
Not sure what it processes, but I know you need one.
Yeah. Let's see, where's it at?
Ah, the atomic alloys.
Yes.
Mechanism.
Which is very important. Because the reinforced alloy is the one where you use the diamond with the enriched alloys. And then the enriched alloys go into the obsidian ones and become, well, they're reinforced alloys and become the next tier of alloy. So we could actually set up, like, I would almost want to set up 3 of these specifically for the alloys. So, like, the one with the redstone, have it automatically feed into the one with the diamond, and then have that automatically feed into the one with the obsidian.
Ah, okay, I gotcha. So
and
make
then
another 3, and then have those just making the...
And then let it back stuff. So that way we'd have a stack of each alloy in all 3 of the machines.
Right.
Might be something to consider. But we now have the compressing the thingy, so we can do this. And what's the other recipe for here? I can't click. Glowstone.
Oh, really?
So,
There's one more. I did not know that.
What? No, not that. I'm talking about this compressor over here. To make the glowstone ingots. We can go ahead and do those all in the one machine. Because I don't think metallurgic infusers could be upgraded to factories, can they? I don't know.
No, they cannot.
Are we sure?
Yeah, I don't see why. I don't know why he didn't code it like that, but he didn't.
Well, let's find out anyway, just because I want to know. Because I'm weird. Sometimes things work when you don't expect them to work. Do you work?
Glowstone ingots make teleportation cores.
That is a basic infusing factory, thank you very much.
Really?
So we don't need 2 redstone ones.
Oh, look at that. Except you put it on the... I'll fix it later.
No, those are easy. I was just testing it. So, like,
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, I'm done. So, there's 1. There's 1. There's 1. There's 1. All done.
Yeah, I don't think we'll need a tier above that.
So, yeah, we're good there. I thought there was factory versions of those.
I haven't played with Mechanism since 1.7, so this has been a refresher course, pretty much.
And now we've got the glowstone ingots. We can also make the... We should be getting closer to, like, getting the configurator.
Cells.
Photovoltaic. Oh, your mind is on power. Your mind is always on power
Yes,
for some reason.
Always on power. More power.
Okay, so what are we missing for the configurator, though? For the energy tablet, we need one of the RE battery thingies, which should be doable, except it requires item casings and stuff that are all in the IC2 area. We need to start putting that stuff in the system when we're done making it, so it's available. But yeah, so we've got the infusions going on, we've got the compressing going on, we've got the enriching going on, and you're wanting to work towards solar power for this.
Yes. And the reason behind it is because we no longer, the coal we're using to feed the system and keep the power going is no longer being produced in the greenhouse. We gave that up a while ago. So we have 2 and about a half stacks, and then we're out. And granted, you can use regular coal, but this stuff burns the best. You get the most oomph out of it.
Why don't we go towards wind turbines? I thought that's what we were
Well, we
going
could
to
do
do.
wind power too, but I'm not sure if there is wind on this planet. I see a sun, so that's kind of why I'm curious as to whether solar power will work or not.
Oh, we can always see if wind power works. Wind power is normally actually a little bit better, but it does take a few things that might be kind of a pain. Industrial craft stuff. Well, not as bad as I was thinking. But again, it takes the energy tablets. So, yeah, we need to work on those. Energy modules we should have. We should have a bunch of those at the base. They're just not in the system, I don't think. Should be over in the calculator area. So actually, let me
Why
go...
do we only have 16 of them? We should have more than that.
More what?
The energy modules.
Which energy modules are you talking about?
The calculator ones, right?
I didn't even see any in the system. Or did you take them out? Oh, no, there they are.
There's 16 in the system.
Right, I don't think the calculator thing is hooked up to the system. Is it?
It should be.
Oh, yeah, I guess it is. Is it just not working anymore? I don't see any of the separators doing anything. Extraction chambers don't seem to be doing anything. I don't know. Might be a power issue. Let's see, do we have power? No, we've got power. Power is stored. So what is going on over here? There's like nothing doing anything, but we still should have had more than that in the system.
Sorry, I've been on the phone. What's up?
Oh, it's okay. Just trying to figure out why we only had like 16 energy tablets.
No upgrades in the drawer.
In the system. So there's no upgrades in the drawer and you have it voiding? Oh,
yes.
That explains things.
Distracted by something else.
Yeah, let's not put void upgrades in any drawers until we know we need them. Grr. No minecarts. All right, but we are doing an episode on Mekanism, Phoenix.
Mm-hmm.
I was looking at, because we need to make energy tablets, which require energy modules, and we're going to need a lot of energy tablets, but we currently only have 16 energy modules. Why does it look like the calculator system's not doing anything? Oh, never mind. I see it actually doing things now.
It is very slow. It is.
Well, it's like the right-hand column is not animating.
I think there is an issue with calculator where occasionally you do have to take the upgrades out and put them back in because they're not fully registering or something. We had like a stack and a half of energy cubes earlier.
Not the cubes, the tablets.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you use the cube to make the tablets.
Oh, so we can still make them. We just need cubes. We should have
he feels better now.
A little. Yeah, we have 512 power cubes, so we're all right.
Okay, so does that mean that it's voiding and it only has like a couple of upgrades?
No, it has a full. It should have a full emerald upgrade on it.
Okay. I'm guessing.
So you need energy. You need the energy modules. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you divide a power cube by purified coal, and you get an energy module.
Yeah,
okay.
We need to put that.
He keeps using our purified coal.
Back up.
We don't need the extra coal. Just stop using that over at Mekanism.
Okay. All right.
Just use regular coal. We have tons of that, and it keeps coming
Yeah,
in.
you're right. We do. The only, well,
I had stated that last time we did the Mechanism episode. I said don't use the enriched stuff, please.
okay.
All
Got
right.
potatoes in your ears, Dragon.
What?
All right, that is going to be it for this episode, though. So thanks in advance for the thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment. I've been Saf.
I've been Phoenix.
I've been derping.
And you've been compressed.